Musical Alphabet 2. Note names. So let's take a closer look at the note names, starting with the open strings. So from the thickest string, we have E, A, D, G, B, E. These are the string names, which are the notes you get when picking the strings open. You can see these on the strings during lessons. You should really try to memorize these open string notes so you know them by heart. One trick to do is to put words to each note, like Eddie ate dynamite, goodbye, Eddie. Or make up your own words that makes it easier for you to remember. A cool way to start learning the names of the notes across the fretboard is to first memorize the open strings and then memorize the notes on the first fret of each string. So we have E to F, A to A sharp or B flat, D to D sharp or E flat, G to G sharp or A flat, B to C, and E to F. You can continue like this all the way up the fretboard to map out all the notes. Just remember that there is no note between B and C and no note between E and F.